Hi, I'm Diana Montalion. I'm a systems architect and the author of the upcoming O'Reilly book, Learning Systems Thinking. This year, at the Global Software Architecture Summit in Barcelona, I'll be offering a workshop on systems thinking and nonlinear skills. The reason that I'm offering this workshop is that as software and monolithic software scales to become systems of software and interdependent platforms and event-driven architectures and microservices, there are a lot of thinking and communication skills that we might be missing. So in this workshop, you'll get some hands-on experience understanding what systems thinking means, developing recommendations when you can't know what's right to do, only the best possible action to take under the circumstances. And together, we'll look at and try to resolve a familiar and intriguing systems challenge. I hope to see you there.